deep was it?
Pretty deep.
Ow! That hurt.
You smack your head?
Yes.
Sorry. How was that? How was that? Big bump?
Yes, big bump.
Sorry.
Ow.
Big rock. I thought that was like a car that had gone down there. Sorry, man. I won't go over.
Hmm?
I won't go over. I wonder how deep that is.
It's deep enough. Ow. I'm gonna have a friggin' headache when I get home.
Did you get a corner or did you get the...
I got the whole friggin' roof. He bounced me right out of the seat and he... Oh my... Head right on the roof.
Not 100%, but I think there's a sign that says no mud bogging.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there is.
Right next to the mud bog.
Right there.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna live. It's hurt.
I forget. No seatbelt.
Yeah, I got nothing to hold on to and nothing holding me down. So I bounced right out of the seat.
Sorry, dude. Wish the camera was facing inside.
I'll just have to take a couple aspirin when I get home, that's all.